Tracking cart abandonment in Google Analytics 4. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to track cart abandonment in Google Analytics 4. This is crucial for understanding customer behavior and improving your e-commerce conversions. Let's get started. First, set up Enhanced E-commerce. So ensure that Enhanced E-commerce is enabled in your Google Analytics 4 property. Go to Admin, select your property, and then click on Data Streams. Choose your website stream and scroll down to Enhanced Measurements. Make sure it's turned on, as this will help you track important e-commerce events, including cart abandonment. Next, you need to ensure that the Add to Cart event is being tracked. So if you're using an e-commerce platform or plugin, this is often set up automatically. Otherwise, you might need to manually implement the tracking code on your site. For example, when a user adds an item to their cart, trigger an event in GA4 like this. Now, step 3. Create a funnel exploration. So to analyze cart abandonment, go to the Explore section in GA4 and create a new funnel exploration. Set the funnel steps to track user behavior through purchasing process. Your steps might include product view, add to cart, and initiate checkout. Once your funnel is set up, analyze the data to see where users drop off. This will give you insights into your cart abandonment rate and help you identify any bottlenecks in the checkout process. And that's it. You're now ready to track cart abandonment in Google Analytics 4 effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more analytics tips. Thanks for watching.